Where are we going, guys? On our evening chicken walk. Mike's joining me this time. He doesn't always join me. The yard seemed so much quieter today, didn't it? Mm-hmm. Like, I don't know, it was weird. It's like the hens didn't really know kind of where to go or who to follow with only one rooster. I don't know. It was just very quiet and empty. It looks like they're going to bed kind of early tonight. And of course they hear us coming, so now they're all coming out. But you guys are supposed to be going in, not coming out. Go to bed. Go to bed. Ugh. Ornery chickens. Usually I have to kind of shoo them in and bribe them with food because they aren't in yet, so. Apparently, they want me to give them food. Cheaters. Moochers. Alright, let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go get your mooch. Let's go get your snack. Your bedtime snack. Alright, come on. Go in, go to bed. Come on, Molly. You chicks. Whoop, right on top of you, Harriet. There you go. And I'll like you back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's all of them. Down to 13. Alright, guys. And Jenny, wherever you are, no sleeping in the nest box. So? Care to share
About?
what we did last night?
We took care of some chickens.
Yes, but you did it for me, which I appreciated.
Mm-hmm. It wasn't pleasant.
No, it was not. Not at all. But thank you for doing it for me.
Mm-hmm.
I do appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You get to do it next time.
We'll see. I didn't mention this in the previous video, but it is possible that the problem Pistachio had was something called fly strike, which basically he may have gotten a small injury on his neck, and flies found it, moved in, laid their eggs, and then when those larvae hatched, they literally were like eating him from the inside, which would explain why he was in such pain. And it's my understanding that they actually hatch really fast, so it wouldn't have taken long, and there was no way it could have been prevented because, I mean, it was under his feathers. A fly could find it, but I certainly would not have been able to find it. It's sad and it's unfortunate, but really, Red here. Hey, Red. Red. Hey, boy. Beautiful thing. He really is a beautiful rooster. But really, he's the better rooster of them anyways. Pistachio did not like my son. I don't know why. He just kind of had it out for him. He would just randomly go after him for no reason. Not constantly, but I would always have to keep an eye on him whenever we were outside together, just to make sure that Pistachio didn't try to sneak up on him and get him. But then also Pistachio was a big pig who cared more about feeding himself than taking care of his hens. So he could be protective of the hens, but I mean, if there's food, he would rather eat it himself than share. Whereas Red here, anytime he finds goodies, he calls the ladies over to share with them, and he courts and woos the ladies, and he's just a lot more gentle with them, whereas Pistachio had no game, if we can put it that way. The only way he got action is if he shoved Red off. So, yeah, Pistachio really wasn't a very good rooster, honestly. Red does a better job being a rooster. He's very protective. If he thinks there's a predator, if he sees a hawk or something, he's always the first to let them know. So he does his job well, which is good. And he keeps a respectful distance from people. He's never really liked people, even as a chick, no matter how much we handled him, he never liked being touched. Because like even now, if I try to, see, he just like kind of walks away, keeps his distance. He doesn't like to be touched. He keeps his distance from people, so I don't feel like I have to worry about whether or not he's going to come after my kids, which is a good thing. That's important. So all in all, I think it did work out for the best. And everybody is still trying to figure out the new dynamic, I think. I've noticed anytime there's a change in the flock, like whenever one of them dies or they move or whatever, you know, a big change. It takes a couple of days for them to figure out, you know, the new hierarchy. So it's been interesting. But I'm really, really enjoying the pullets starting to lay. And I did notice, I think Jenny is going to start soon, which I'm very excited about, those dark chocolate eggs. Because she is a black silver Marantz and from a good breeder, so she should have those nice dark chocolate eggs. Because technically Gretchen is a Marantz, but she's just like a hatchery quality, so she really, her eggs aren't any darker than any of the other hens. But Jenny's definitely should be. And then I don't know why Olive and Molly have not started laying yet. They're my olive eggers, and I've had 0 green eggs yet. They should have been laying a long time ago. So they're just slow poking. Again, hatchery quality, I guess. Sometimes they take longer to lay. But really, they need to get their game on, because look at this basket. Wouldn't it be so much prettier with green in it? Look at those beautiful colors. We can just make like a little, switch these around, and look at that. We've got a little ombre going on there from light to dark. Throw in a couple green, that and a chocolate. That's gonna be so pretty. Also, with the pullets laying, we almost have enough eggs for us to eat every day. Almost. I've been getting about 5. You know, every couple days, their bodies take a break, and I will only get like 2 or 3. But I've been getting about 5 a day. One day, I think I got 7. That was cool. Then I also have a couple of the older ones are molting right now, so they're not really laying at all. So pretty soon, I should have a pretty good influx once those older ones start laying again, before they kind of die off for winter. But the younger pullets should lay all through the winter because they're young, and that's just how they work. So that will be nice. And then once all the pullets are laying, we should be getting 6 a day just from them, which is how many eggs my kids eat every single morning. So that will be nice, because who wants to buy store eggs when you can have these? Where are we going, guys?
To a goat farm.
Goat! Are you excited to see baby goats?
Yeah.
And mommy goats?
Goat.
Look what you have.
Mama, even look at me.
Look at you, want to pet him?
You pet the goat?
This is so sweet.
Pet nicely.
You wanted that one? Look at that one. Look at that little baby one. Are these the ones that were born last week? Or... Oh, look how little. Don't drop him, baby. Is it heavy?
That's a boy, right?
Is he heavy?
Yeah.
He's so sweet.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
So we have over 140 goats.
That's a lot of goats.
That is a lot of goats. She'll tell you which ones. Okay?
You gonna feed the babies?
You wait, and she'll tell you which one.
Oh, not that one. Not that one. That was too big. That was too big. No, no. Any of them, yep.
He's licking it.
Yeah, you gotta hold it up. Hold it up so the milk can go out. There you go.
There you go.
Mommy, that's another one.
Yeah, you hold it right there.
Yeah, the way that's feared
He's got a milk mustache.
Oh, there they
There you
are.
go.
Which one is which?
They know which one's which. They're all going to their own places. Isn't that cool?
Which one is it? I think they know. Did you know?
There they go.
Yeah.
They're all going to their own spots.
Whoa.
There they go.
That's it.
Look how many there are.
Yeah. Toads are a lot.
They all know which spot to go to. Crazy, huh?
They all know which one. Why would one look different?
Yeah, they are all different colors, aren't they?
Why would
There they go.
that still look different?
Oh, it's just different, made different.
Probably.
See, they're gonna all go up to get milked. Like, but I want this spot. Ooh, look at that one. That one's speckled like a pig.
Wow. How many goats can they milk?
Is it 12? You said? There you go. Can you reach it?
Yeah.
There you go. She's like, oh, oh.
That's
Just grab it. There you go.
Just a minute. You gotta take
Squeeze the
turns.
top and then pinch it down.
There you go.
There you go. Good job.
Good luck. You don't want to share.
Grab the top and then squeeze down. You don't have to squeeze hard. You just gotta pinch the top first.
Yeah, you can reach it.
You did it in the top?
okay.
You just gotta pinch it off at the top. Oh, you squirted me. You squirted me. Top and then squeeze down. There you go, like that.
Can I squeeze other ones?
You can do it.
Can I do that one?
Yeah.
Sounds like mommy's got it.
I know how to do it now.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not too bad. Easier than remember cows being.
Oh, definitely.
You gonna go pick apples? Yeah. Here we go. Is it delicious? Is it sweet or sour? Yeah? What about you girls? Is it yummy? Yummy? Make sure you share some with me. Can I have some? Did you find some cute little squashy gourds? Oh, they are cute. It does. See all the pumpkins? What kind of pumpkins should we get, do you think? You like those bumpy ones? Oh, that is a cool one. You got big squashes over there? Oh, look at those bumpy ones. You like that pumpkin? Oh, that does look like a snake. Look at all these